Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you a demo that is the integration between DocuSign and Salesforce using MergeEasy. So the reason behind using mergeeasy.com is that usually whenever we are supposed to send the contract via DocuSign in Salesforce, it requires user authentication for each and every user. And if there are multiple users in your team or your company, then multiple DocuSign accounts are required in Salesforce for authentication. So if I give you an example, if there are 10 members, then 10 DocuSign accounts are required. And as each DocuSign account comes with a $25 plan, then the total cost will lead to $250. Whereas if the same is done via MergeEasy, then it will cost you around $49 per month, which is the basic plan of MergeEasy, and one DocuSign account with $25. So basically, this is a cost-effective method to achieve the Salesforce and DocuSign integration. So now I'm going to show you the demo. So we have integrated the DocuSign in the Salesforce in the opportunities app. So I've created a test opportunity whose name is Ricky Test, and I've created a button send DocuSign normal here, which will redirect you to a Visualforce page. So I'm going to show you the demo now. So if I click on this button, a Visualforce page, that is the page you are seeing right now, is displayed, on which the values which are going to be merged in your document are shown. For example, the seller name, which is the Ricky Test, and the company profile, and various other fields you require. So I've integrated this because so you can see the merge fields, or you can correct it if you want. And again, I have added two buttons here, which is send contract normal and send contract attorney involved. So these are basically the different contracts, that is the normal contract and attorney involved. So the function of this button is to send the normal contract, and the function of this button is to send the attorney involved contract. So I'm going to click on this. So if you have added all the required fields, that is the email ID and the necessary fields, the contract will be sent and you will get a notification here which will say the contract is sent. So if I show you the contract has been received in the email. I'm going to open this. The contract received via DocuSign. I have opened this contract and you can see the merge fields are there. So this is the way we have integrated the DocuSign and opportunities app in the sales if your code coverage is above 75%. So this was the integration app and send DocuSign and Salesforce via MergeEasy. Thank you so much.